My name is Dhruvik Chanchad. I am going to USA to fall 2021 and from ADELPHI University, New York. And I want to like to thank you, Mihir sir, because of whenever I was joined. At that time, I was not able to speak anything. They give me a boosting my confidence and give me hope to clear my IELTS exam. And now I am able to speak very well. I also want to thank Rupal ma'am because they gave me a full guidance and for my complete my bachelor, how can I cover my gap also. And after I complete my IELTS and Duolingo exams, I would like to thank Shital ma'am because they gave me too much help in complete my visa process, and my visa process was going to very smoothly. And also I want to like to thank Bhavin sir because they give me a personal mock sessions, so okay, I can improve myself at that time. And Bhavin sir, Nikhil sir and Nisha ma'am give me two guidance for my complete my education, as well as we all know that Careerline gives Har Kadam Pe right advice.